DCM himself said that this is all very long, this questionnaire, etc. Your reaction on children's education, Satyaprakash ji?
In spite of all the issues that you said, in spite of all the issues that a lot of people have been saying for the past 15 days, more than 80% of 7.4 crore people enumeration is over as on yesterday. So if you take today's figure, we would have reached somewhere around 82 to 83%. Most of the work which is not completed is in Bangalore, because in Bangalore, out of 1.4 crores, we have just finished around 20-25 lakhs. So if you take this 1.2 crores of Bangalore, we would have nearly finished 90 to 95% of the total enumeration. If Bangalore would have started as early as like other districts, we would have really completed most of our survey. Since Bangalore, it took more time. And see, you also need to understand that postponement means that we will do more due diligence. We will make sure that every person's voice is part of the socio-economic survey. Not even one person will be left out of this survey.
I agree, so but we are also giving a status of where all there are glitches in Karnataka. And you know what? We can keep talking about this, but today, Satya, you and I are going to talk about the educational calendar of these kids. That is to say, we did it despite whatever. Telangana also did it, sir. I'm not comparing apples to apples. I can't make a comparison. There was not a noise from Revant Reddy. Sir, academic calendar. No, I understand, sir. The population
compromise.
Satya ji, please come in. No, Shashi, let's listen to Satya.
I think Mr. Shashi doesn't understand the importance of this survey.
No, really?
We cannot take students. We cannot take students
because
very
much understandable, but not with the compromise of every student of this state.
Please allow and listen to, be a good listener. Listen to what I say. This is a very important survey. We cannot ask students to do because it is a responsible job. Tomorrow something goes wrong. A government
saying students to do. There are others.
Mr. Shashi, be a good listener. I never talked when you talk. Okay. See, we need responsible government servants to do this job. Otherwise, we could have outsourced to some private agency. No. Why we should disturb our students? We could have outsourced to someone. We cannot outsource census, government survey, and especially social
academic calendar. Survey. Satya ji, please. Shashi, let him talk about.
They are not worried about students' future.
Wait, no, Shashi.
Government, especially, they are not worried.
Don't worry, Mr. Shashi Kumar. Don't worry. We are as much worried as you. We are a responsible government. We have conducted all the examinations successfully.
Not only with census.
There
is
a delay.
Examination, teachers are being pulled for palliation and many other things.
Don't worry, sir.
You and me know
where there is gain, there should be pain. Ultimately, who are going to gain from the socio-economic survey? It is people of Karnataka who is going to gain. The SV, the marginalized communities are going to gain.
You are talking really to, usually you talk like a person who's like us. But today you're talking like a spokesperson.
Naturally,
Shashi Kumar. No, Shashi, let's be fair. He always talks for the people. No, but today he's talking like a spokesperson, so there is no point. I mean, I really. But the thing is, Shashi, last word, and I have to move in 30 seconds. Shashi, thank you very much, but let's wait, Shashi.
The teachers are given a honorarium pay of extra 20 or 25,000 rupees. And every teacher who does this job.
Not about, again, we are all barking up the wrong trees. Not teachers are okay. But more important are the students, for God's sake. Why don't we understand?
All the teachers' hard work will be helpful for the students only. Because social justice will be implemented in the land of
see, I hope to God and keep my fingers crossed that the census better be good. It should not go the 2015 way.